So andito ako ngayon sa Lipa and I'm going to be taking on a burger challenge mula sa Fat Kid. Will I be able to finish within 10 minutes? Stick to the end of this video to find out with me. Tara na, pasok tayo. Okay, gutom na.
Welcome to TVX at ito ang Fat Kid Burger Challenge. Ito yung aming PB na merong 5 patties at syempre itatry ito ni Sir Sarksman na ubusin within 10 minutes. So sa lahat na gustong challenge, punta lang kayo dito sa TVX Food Hub Lipa sa may Marawoy, tapat ng Holland's Place. Ayan. Ito na. So ang unang challenger natin, Sir Sarksman. Yeah, let's go. Ito na, sir. Ayan.
Wow. Ready?
Timer starts now. So ayun, 30 seconds pa lang yung nakakalipas pero almost 50% na yung nakatapos ni Sarksman. So 1 minute pa lang pero kakahati na yung burger. Hindi na pa ubus na. Wow. Wow! Grabe yun. Exactong 2 minutes.
Ah, nice.
Naubos si Sir Sarksman na yan, oh. Ayan ha. Hindi, ano yan, hindi scripted yung mga class.
Yes, sir.
Diba? Ayun. Galing.
Thank you so much, Chef.
Yan, yan.
Ganun nakabilis eh, no? The challenge went down in 2 minutes and I have to say na nag-enjoy ako lalo na dun sa part nung unang kagat dun sa patty dahil kasi sobrang flavorful. Alam mo yung mga ganung type of patties, yan yung mga sinaserve dun sa mga high-end restaurants. Tapos, hindi siya necessarily, hindi siya ino-offer for food challenge per se. As in, swerte ka na nga lang kung i-offer siya regular menu for its price. Able to get it at this price point is super affordable. So, alam mo yun, kaya yun yung nagustuhan ko sa pat. Alright, mga kalaman, so, that has been the Burger Challenge mula dito sa Fat Kid, sa TVX Food Hub mula dito sa Lipa. And if you guys want to see more, please do not forget to like this video, share it to your friends, follow me on my socials, it's above, below, wherever you see it, and I'm going to catch you on the next food challenge. Do me a favor, seek fulfillment what you do. Sobrang panalo yan. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Tagang salamat, guys. Until next time. Yes, sir. Matik.